feeling weak, thin, or even peeling. But don't panic. I'm Mihan, Pro Nail Tech, and today I'll show you how to repair nail damage fast and help your natural nails recover stronger than before. Step 1. If you still have leftover gel, remove it gently. Never peel or rip it off. That's what causes most of the damage. Instead, soak or file carefully and lightly buff the surface to smooth rough spots. Step 2. Hydrate. Damaged nails are dry nails, so apply cuticle oil daily and lock it in with a hand cream. You can also use a strengthening base coat to protect the nail while it grows out. Step 3. Keep your nails short while they recover. Trim or file to prevent peeling edges from snagging, and wear a protective clear coat to give them strength. Step 4. Give your nails a break from gel for at least 2 weeks. Focus on daily oil, hydration, and protection. Remember, your nails grow stronger with consistency, not quick fixes. So remember, gentle removal, hydrate daily, keep them short, and give your nails time to recover. Stick with these steps and your natural nails will thank you. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more nail care tips. And let me know in the comments what's been your biggest struggle with gel damage. Bye guys.